All right, folks, how's it going? Yeah. Let's put a little fluffy thing on my mic. Hopefully it takes some of that noise out. I only got my voice, but anyway, we're on our way to Indian of Northern Kentucky, Demo Days. We're going to do a little podcast there. Hopefully everything will go good. Hopefully we'll meet some of you out there if you choose to go there. But anyway, you get to ride the bikes, you just sign up, make sure you got a motorcycle license, and you're good to go. Anyway, I think they do this once a year. All the big motorcycle owners, dealers, stuff like that, they get the demo days at the beginning of the year. Kind of sucks, but well, we got it right before fall, and 2024s are got to go. Maybe they'll give you a good deal. Anyway, I gotta get some gas. 32 gallons. Living the dream. Living the dream here at big old Indiana. Squirrel. Gotta watch out for those squirrels, man. This time of year, they're trying to get the nuts. I'm trying to get better at this motorcycle vlogging, We'll see how it goes today. I have a little bit of drone footage, a lot of the show footage, and some other stuff. It's going to be fun. I think we're going to have a great time today. I wish these roads were a little bit better, but hey, what can I say? They suck. Oh shit. Oh yeah, look at that. I'll turn my deer whistle on. I don't remember which one it is. There we go. Yeah. We don't know if it works, but hey, we'll have to see. Big old deer, though. Hey, they're all over the place around here. Luckily, he heard me because I hate to say it, loud pipes save lives. That is the God honest truth. I guarantee you, they heard the popping of my pipes and they took off running. They took off running before they see me. So for you folks out there that think loud pipes are just an annoyance, well, put them on your bike. Save a life. Save a deer life. They're going to hear you coming. Guaranteed. You can hear my little deer whistle. It's having some fun there. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want one. I've seen deer laying on the road, not road, but in the grass by the road, and they get up and run. So that's before I even got the pipes on this motorcycle. And I do have Tab Performance Zombie on this 2023 Challenger Dark Horse. Great pipes. One of these days I'll get the Cat Delete, make it even louder, but right now I'm happy with it. My wife's deaf. She can't hear me anymore because she sits in the back. So that's a good thing. She also loves to hit me in the back of the head. With the helmet. Well, we'll see you guys somewhere over Kentucky, I think. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. Let's see if we can kind of warp there. Boom, baby. Alright. Seems to be recording. I don't know what's going on with it, but something's wrong. All right. We lower this windshield down. We're right outside of Indian of Northern Kentucky, RideNKY.com. They got demo days today. When you're watching this, it's probably going to be already past, so I'm sure we're going to have a lot of fun. We just got to watch out for people driving out in front of you, texting on their phone, all that good stuff. But anyway, it's a beautiful day today. There's no rain in the forecast. Nice and cool, so it's not very hot. It's not very humid. It's perfect riding weather today. Max is going to be taking them around the lap of the route from IMRG 2074. I think Bob is also. But it shall be a fun day today. And I got to set up still. But we'll do a little bit of behind the scenes with that. And we'll see how that goes. Little time warp. I was hoping I didn't have to stop here, but this person doesn't know how to turn. Oh, okay, sorry, it's the other way I was turning. My wife should be here already with the stuff, hopefully. They do have a little bit of a truck. I don't see my truck though. It's not fun. Maybe it's there. Yep, she's there. Hopefully she's got some stuff off of the brake. Probably not. Enjoying the day. All right, we're gonna go on a ride here. Mike's leading this ride here on demo days. I'm just joining it to just assist as I need to. A lot more bikes than I thought there was. What a great event. I mean, tons of people showed up. Indian of Northern Kentucky has done a great job. There's some barbecue out here, some food, and some donuts, some cookies. A lot of no talking here, huh? What do you say? Anyway, this is a good route, man. Mike did a heck of a job. I kind of got in between the bikers, so might have been a mistake there, but I apologize if anybody's watching this. Didn't mean that. I thought they were all gone, and I thought, what's his name, told me to go ahead across the street, so I did. So that was my bad. I know he was trying to get his hazards on, so I was going to be the tail gunner, but he decided to do it. So I got myself in the middle of the group, and I don't know if anybody was expecting that, so hopefully it wasn't that bad. Woo, baby! What's up, brother? A little jump the clutch here a little bit. I'll tell you what, it feels a lot longer when you're sitting at the dealership, Mike. So all I can say is good job on the route, man. It was fast, it was smooth, and it just felt really good. I mean, I'm gonna tell you. Let's see if this guy lets us go across here.
coming. You're lucky. She's coming. Heather and Connie's gonna go on the slingshot. Are you ready for this? See ya, enjoy. All right, man, end of the day. Truck is packed up. We actually helped them pack it up, which trying to make this a lot easier for him. I don't think this guy can come here.